Terrace, and this is my math autobiography. So, I've always been taught that math had like a formula to follow. Like, it's always solvable if you're able to just find the information you need to put it in. So, I think math just always was easy for me, and I was always really good at it because we were just taught that, like, if you have all the information, you could just plug in the numbers to a formula and it'll be solved 100% done. There you go. And then you could just proof and check your math, and then there was the answer. So there was always like a solution as long as you had the right information. And so I think for me, I started out as a freshman in high school in a geometry class for all seniors, and I felt very weird at first because I was like, I'm the only freshman, but then I realized that not everyone was able to get that, like, things just had formulas, and like that's how we were taught in school. My school wasn't very like prestige and like test scores or anything like that, so it was very like we were just taught the simple ways out of things. I went all the way like through trigonometry and calculus AB and calculus BC, and the whole time just was just taught that there's formulas to every problem to be solved. So I think to become a teacher, it's going to be kind of hard to find simple ways and adapt to these math problems for these students that need the extra help. Because for me, I was just taught that everything had formulas. So I'm hoping that I learned more solutions than just, oh, plugging numbers, like things that make more sense and other ways of thinking and how other students decide to solve problems and what their process was. And so I could adapt to that and help them learn better. I feel like math was always just numbers and letters that you just plug into a formula. And I know I keep repeating that because it's literally how we were taught to do math. We weren't taught like we were always taught shortcuts. We were always taught like this is how you just do it. There's no other solution to it. Like I said, my school isn't very great in math scores, but in middle school I went to a charter school, so we were like taught that there's like these longer versions of math. But when I went to high school, I realized that everyone was doing shortcuts. So why would I do the extra math if people were doing shortcuts? But yeah, math usually comes a little easily, but I know I'm not like a math whiz. I struggled really hard, but once I figured out like how to solve a certain problem, I could be able to figure it out again once I'm being taught. And I'm also a very visual learner, so I had to see it like on the board, step by step, worked out, and then I'm able to go back and check my answers a different way or adapt easily. But first, it always had to be visually written out in front of me so I could take notes and write out how to do each problem. So that is my math autobiography.